Let's go ahead and solve homework exercise number 8. It says use De Morgan's laws to write a statement that is equivalent to the following statement. It is not the case, so it is not the case as negation out in front that he studies, we'll say is P, or, so it's a disjunction, he is in history class, which is just Q, no negation there, so I'll just put Q. So applying De Morgan's laws, we know that what? Negation of an or statement is you negate the P, you change or to and then you negate Q individually. So then negation of P is he does not study abroad, and then the word and, right? Because it becomes from a disjunction to a conjunction. And then the negation of he is in history class, of course, would be he is not in history class. So we're looking, he does not study abroad. He does not study abroad. There it is. Then the word and he is not in history class, which is the negation of Q. So choice P, or choice B, is definitely the correct answer, okay? All right, number 9, use De Morgan's laws to write an equivalent statement. Again, this is just in symbols. So in the negation of R or negation of P, logically equivalent, okay? So now the negation, you negate both. So the negation of P just makes it P. The or becomes an and the negate, well, this is R, right? Sorry. Negation of R. The negation of R just has R, right? And two negations just back to the original statement. The or becomes and similarly, the negation of P is just P. So then applying De Morgan's laws, we would just get R and P, which obviously is choice D for my choices, okay? And the negation of R, negation of R is just R. Same way with P, and then the or becomes and. So we get choice D as the correct answer, the last choice. Okay. Use De Morgan's laws to write a statement that is equivalent to the following statement. All right, this one's a little bit more difficult. We've got if R, then Q or not P. Now again, the negation of a if then, we can go ahead and do the contrapositive, right? These are all the negation. Okay, well, the negation of this is just, we can do the contrapositive. So we have the negation of Q or not P, and then implies the negation of R, okay? So we have the contrapositive. Now, again, so we switch the order and negate both, right? That's logically equivalent contrapositive. Then when we go ahead and do the negation of each of these separately, when we negate this, we would get negation of Q, the or would become and the negation of P is P, and then we would just get the negation of R. So then the choice that is the same would be this one right here, choice A. Again, you have to do what we used is if P then Q is logically equivalent to the contrapositive, which is not P implies, not Q implies not P. So we switch the order and negate both, and then when we do that, apply De Morgan's laws, we get choice A is our correct answer. Okay? So we'll go ahead and choice A, which is definitely the correct answer. Okay, we're going to go ahead and stop this session here. This is your math teacher. I hope you found these video helpful. Thank you for viewing it and listening to it. If you have any other questions, please send me an email using the inbox through the Canvas course at the FGCU portal. Thank you.